more about my review. Continuing, I don't like these stainless steel lines because of their bad customer service, because I had to call in after doing research why these were leaking to tell me they have to be tightened and turned 4 times. Well, they don't tell you that until you call in, and they get hundreds of calls or tons of calls every day about that. So now I'm pulling every frickin' line loose, bending them a little bit, because I got to check every frickin' fitting. These are connections for the XL. These are extension tubes, or what do you want to call it. So I had to break them loose a few inches farther, then bring it back over to here to pull them out, then to tighten them back up again. You gotta loosen them, tighten them 4 times at least to make sure they work. And that doesn't always help. And you still gotta go back. So how am I gonna reach these if I had to pull the line? Because these hide right behind the body mount. And on the Yukon, Tahoe and all that, you don't really have much room with the running boards in the way. So you tell me that's great customer service, Inline Tube. Great, thank you. So I am using these. After I loosen and tighten them, you gotta kneel them somehow. That's what they said. And they don't kneel them at the factory. These are quarter flare copper gaskets. These are 38 Nancy 874, 25 cents a Granger. They had them the next day. So I'm tightening them, loosening them 4 times, 5 times, and putting these in for washers. I ordered a bunch of them. And it's leaking at the back too. So I can barely get that thing over the cross member back there, or whatever you want to call it. I can't even really get my head back there, much less a wrench. So I'm really not great with their customer service. I guess if you get the coated steel lines, you'll probably be fine. They'll probably outlast the life of the truck. The original ones, I don't think they were really coated well. And these trucks are already old as they are, so it depends what you want to do. And these being split, that just makes more fittings to go loose, and this thing's been dripping buckets. So this is a reason you may or may not want to do stainless steel lines. I've actually broke 2 lines because I over tightened them, but you're supposed to put some force on them. So I will try to attach the document that I had to get emailed to me, because they won't spend the extra 2 cents and copy on the other side of the paperwork they send to you about the part numbers, or which goes where, because these do not come labeled from the factory. They don't. This is all you get, and you gotta try to figure which one is which, because they all look similar. So good luck with that one. And I think I posted a video, or am posting a video to tell you which ones really are go where, how to find them easier. Buy a brake line from the store, it comes a little tag around it. Tell me they can't spend the 2 cents, 10 cents to put a little tag around it with the part number, and then you would match it up with the part number here. Okay, that's my review. I've been at it for almost 3 days with this truck, trying to figure out why I'm leaking and having to call in tech support only just be sent a document they tell everybody else. But they said they don't know why. They just don't copy it on the back page, at least. Costs them no extra in shipping. Extra page would cost them no extra in shipping. Comes in a brief box. Quite a line, seem okay. One might have been a little questionable with the fitting. I already screwed up one fitting trying to get it to seat. And this is a problem with everybody that uses stainless steel lines. Everybody, for the most part. My friend said he did it, that I know very well, and he had never had no issues. I kind of don't believe that, but I have to. And then all the results on Google and stuff, I've seen other people doing these for Chevelles and Camaros and Corvettes. So be very careful if you want to do this, because you're going to be dealing with leaking fittings, and you can look about annealing them by tightening, loosening sequence, and I will post that picture of that they don't share with the public. And this is on a Yukon 04 XL. That's why the extra fittings are there.